All right. It's a short video about my QD sway bar links. We just got back from riding at the dunes, put on 156.9 miles of hard trail whoop riding. I'll post a little video of that in a bit. But there's the link. So I can take this off with one hand. So that link is off. And there's that one's off. We'll actually make it set up so that you leave the link on and make a bracket to connect up here to hold the sway bar out of the way. So that's how they work there. So I can put them back on with one hand. Heck, this is even my left hand. I'm not even a lefty. So I can run the camera and talk all at the same time. That's quite an accomplishment. All right. There's the front reconnected, and the rear we'll leave that link on there, because once again it will store in the upright position. We'll show you that on the other side. But the QD mount that's disconnected, and it will store up out of the way, something like this. So if I can connect them back up here. There's that one. All right, both sides are connected. All four disconnected, reconnected with one hand in less than 2 minutes. So pretty good. And they've done basically 160 miles of hard whoops.